Welcome man, welcome back, guys. This is Christmas Eve, man. We are winding down. Okay, nobody's here. Y'all can see the shop's empty. You don't even hear shop noise. I'm the only one sitting up in here looking crazy. Of
All right, let's see
course.
what they doing. Hey, why y'all closing up? What the hell? Are we wrapping up? One more used car back here. Ooh, stuck. Kirk bringing in another used car. There you. Told you wasn't done. All right, man, they pulling the doors down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back my way, okay? And in the process of walking this way, y'all look at this. Y'all see this? Y'all see this right here? What that look like to y'all? I thought it was scrap aluminum. I was about to box it up and head to the scrap yard. That look like a supercharger, guys. Now I don't even see a car that this come out of, so I have no idea where this come from. This car right here, this is a Challenger, but it's not like one of the big Challengers. Now it has a Hemi in it, it's SRT8, but it's not a supercharger Challenger. So I saw that and I got all excited, but yeah, you best ask questions before you go to mess with stuff like that. All right, so guys, let's head back. Let's do this right quick. Hold tight, y'all. All right, I'm in the back. I don't know what they doing back here, man, but yeah, I always got something going on back here. So it's kind of junky back here, man. Let's go this way. They playing music back here. Y'all know I'm monetized. I can't really be messing with that music. So I'm going this way. Y'all see our new fans? Let me show y'all something. Boy, when the summertime get here, we gonna be ready. Yes. I think they had one for every stall, but I'm gonna have to sneak me one and take over there to my stall. I'm not really a real hot guy, so I don't get hot easily, so I don't need a lot of them. But these big jokers around here, boy, they must have a fan, or it's the end of the world. Look at that, they nice too, right? Easily on wheels, so I'm gonna try to sneak me one and put it down there in my stall. So by the time summertime get here, look, he already got one down there. By the time the summertime get here on the 100 degrees, at least we'll have some. They got one right here. We'll have some, cause see they don't have AC back here, so they might have to stay back here. We got AC on this side, guys. You know, but I don't know, what are you doing? I don't know. All right, guys, I'm outside. I want to show y'all something right quick. Y'all see this Charger right here? This is like a 07, 08. But look at this emblem right here. This is a nice Charger, but it only has a 3.5 in it, guys. 3.5 liter. Now, what the owner, this is a buddy of mine, little guy, young guy in the shop. He's about to transfer or change this from a 3.5 V6 engine to a V8 Hemi engine, guys. That's right. Now, I talked about this before. I don't think it's really cost effective to do this. But if you're doing it on your own and you can save yourself money by building your own engine, then I say go for it. In fact, here's the engine over here. But I won't get deep into it, guys. We're going to talk some more about this later. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. They telling me, yes, there's something on my toolbox right here. So this is supposed to be a TIPM. I don't remember even diagnosing a TIPM. That's known, waiting on one. But because they're so easy to replace, I might as well do this. I think this was one of those newer model Caravans. I think this was a Caravan. Enterprise rental car. Fairly easy to do, but I can't remember how I diagnosed it or why. These are not brand new, guys. So, yes, this is a freshly opened reconditioned tipper.
In fact, this is the same Tipum that's having the problems with the fuel pump relay. Yep, getting ready to replace this, guys. Again, I don't remember why. I guess once I get the car in, it'll come to me how did I diagnose it. But it's like a fairly new Enterprise rent-a-car, I think. Fairly new car, because that's all they rent is new cars. Yes. Got the 2 keys on it and everything. All right, let me go get this van, bring it in, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Huh. Well, it couldn't have been for a no start because it's fired right up. I just don't remember, guys. I think it was a good, maybe 2 months ago. I know this car likely been sitting here for 2 months. Y'all saw it's from out of town, so maybe they had a hard time getting it approved. But basically, I need to re-diagnose it. But it doesn't matter. I have a part here now, so and I just opened it. But I'm sure parts do not want to take that part back. But I need to find out why it was ordered in the first place. I need to see the RO, guys. All right, so I'm in the shop. Let me park and we're gonna start re-diagnosing. Hopefully something's in the code. Or there's a code in the computer. Will you get out my way? All right, appreciate it. Alright. Alright, guys, we'll start re-diagnosing here in a second. Stay tuned.